Hello guys, I will show you how to use this thing and why do you need this thing, right? Okay, let's start, right? You see, phone is connected to the recovery mode and you can check the version 18.6, right? So you must take it to the first DFU mode. Let's take it to DFU mode. Okay, you see here, phone is in DFU mode. You see, we need to run the boot RAM disk pawn DFU mode, right? If you know that iPhone 6 to iPhone X, we do pawn DFU mode with the PC, right? But this one is still not supporting with the PC, so that's why we need this, right? This one doesn't unlock iPhone itself, right? This is just the help to take phone into pawn DFU mode, right? Let's see here, right? Then once it's in DFU mode, you see here it is the mode DFU, right guys? What you do, you remove this USB cable, right? Plug it to the iPhone, right? Plug into the iPhones, right? Because, okay. You see, once you plug into the iPhone, there is no lights because our power cable is off. There is no power is coming. Now what you must do, you must connect the cable again. Now you see lights is blinking and it's green now. Just wait 30 seconds. Right. Now remove the cable that from the pico. Then you put again to the PC, direct PC. Now you don't need pico. Pico job is done. Right. Now you connect again phone into DFU mode. You see guys here, mode is USB liter 8, which means now phone is ready to bypass. Right guys, that's all. This is the same method as you use 6S to X. Right guys, this is a boot RAM disk. Now you select the version here and download the file and it's gonna be done. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching.